In this video, we are going to talk about short-circuited operators. Both the and the or operators are short-circuited. Now, what exactly does that mean? Say we have a Boolean expression using the and operator. We know that this expression will not evaluate to true unless both operands are true. Therefore, in the event of a Boolean expression using the and operator evaluating to true, both operands will in fact have to be evaluated in order to prove the expression true. However, if the first operand is false, why should the second operand be evaluated? If both operands have to be true for these expressions to evaluate to true, as soon as we know one is false, we immediately know the Boolean expression will evaluate to false. Unnecessarily evaluating the second operand wastes resources, and the Java compiler recognizes this and acts accordingly by short-circuiting Boolean expressions using the AND operator when necessary. Now, in the case of the OR operator, the Boolean expression is short-circuited as soon as an operand evaluates to true. As we know, a Boolean expression using the OR operator only takes one operand to be true in order for the Boolean expression to evaluate to true. So if the first operand is true, the second operand's value is irrelevant and the short circuit occurs, once again conserving valuable resources.